Hi friends, now we have one Winrar file is there. When I open, we got an error message called cannot open Winrar file. This is the error message I am getting. For this, I will show you how to solve this. See, when I open this, we got an error message. For this, I will show you how to solve this. First, you click this file, right click, then go to the properties option. In the properties, select the security option and then click advanced. Then click change permissions option. In the permissions window, click the add option and then go to the advanced. Find now. Here you need to select the everyone option. Click this everyone option. Click OK. Then OK. Here you need to give the full control permission to the everyone and then click OK. Then give apply. OK. Then click again OK. OK. Now we will try it. It will open. That's it. Okay. Thank you.